Happy Sunday, setters. Last week was very interesting. S&P 500 tried to break above 4,000. Bitcoin's now above 22,000. Ethereum tried to stay above $1,500. Do you think now the bearish market is totally finished? We're now going into a bull market, or simply this is just a trap? I'll explain more during this video anyway. Another very interesting asset class that I saw is gold and silver. They try to make a base on Thursday. Seasonally, they are bullish. However, we don't trade metal on its own. That's two different asset class also did something very similar. So it makes me wonder, this is something very interesting going on. We may see a bullish run in gold and silver, but gold and silver usually driven by other asset class, which I will explain more in this video. If you'd like to see my in-depth video, full detail of this video is very simple. Join my community. It's free to join. All you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel and put a comment on this video. Then we'll add you into our community. Thank you.